Hello dear students, welcome to my channel Amar Pachala Jatiyo Bidyalay aru aji moi arambho koriboloi loisu class 8 or the Black Pearl lesson tir question answer. Prothome word note kite sai loba soccer, football, staffed সম্পূর্ণ বা সম্পন্ন, squad দল, stand আচৰিত হোৱা, missive বহুত ডাঙৰ, legendary কিংবদন্তিময় বা প্ৰশংসাৰ প্ৰাপ্ত, dignitaries উচ্চ বিষয়া, arged উপদেশ দিয়া, anticipate পূৰ্বাভাস বা আগতে অনুমান কৰি লোৱা, human কোমল অন্তৰৰ বা দয়ালু, vocal দৃঢ়মনা, recipient লাভ কৰোতা, accomplishment বিশেষ অৰ্হতা. এটা comprehension kan চাবা. Answer the following questions in complete sentences. How did Pele's father earn his livelihood? Pele's father earned his livelihood by playing football. What did Pele's father leave playing soccer? Why did Pele's father leave playing soccer? Pele's father left playing soccer due to a knee injury. Who first offered Pele money to play soccer? The premier players of Brazil, Waldemar de Brito, first offered Pele money to play soccer. What is the full name of Pele? The full name of Pele is Edson Arantes do Nascimento. When and where was Pele born? Pele was born 23rd October 1940 in Três Coracoes, Brazil. How many goals did Pele score during his career? During his career, Pele scored 1,280 goals in 1,363 matches. When did Pele receive the International Peace Award? In 1978, Pele received the International Peace Award. What is the meaning of omelissimo? What is the meaning of omelissimo? Omelissimo means 1,000. To whom did Pele dedicate his 1,000 gold? Pele dedicated his 1,000 gold to the poor children of Brazil. What did Pele say about himself? Pele told about himself that it seems that God brought him to earth with a mission to play soccer. Give brief answer. Question number 2. Give brief answers to the following questions. What did Pele do when his father had to leave playing soccer? When Pele's father had to leave playing soccer, he started playing football to get rid of poverty. Sometimes he polished shoes at the Bureau Athletic Club on match day to earn extra money. How did Pele remember Brazil's 100 World Cup goals scored in the 1970 World Cup? In the 1970 World Cup final, Pele scored Brazil's 100th World Cup goal. He remembered the goal because he scored it. He scored it with his head, as he said that his father was also a soccer player, and once he scored 5 goals in a game, all with his head, and it was a record which he could not break. Why did Pele sign a contract with New York Cosmos to play NASL? Pele signed a contract with the New York Cosmos to play NASL after his retirement, as he said that he did it not for money but to make soccer truly popular in the United States. What were the qualities of Pele as an athlete? Pele was a real athlete. He could play in any position on the field. He had a remarkable ability to anticipate other players' moves. He was blessed with great balance and could play with both foot and head. Why do the people call Pele the Black Pearl? Pele is a person of dark complexion, but for his great accomplishment in soccer, people compared him to the valuable pearl, so he is better known as the Black Pearl. Question number 3. What were the other activities that Pele did besides playing soccer? Pele excelled in other activities also besides playing soccer. He He published several best-selling autobiographies. Pele started in several documentaries and composed numerous musical pieces, including the entire soundtrack for the film Pele. Question number 4. Describe the last match of Pele. Pele ended his legendary career in an exhibition match between the Cosmos and Santos. The match was sold out 6 weeks beforehand and covered by 657 journalists and broadcast in 38 nations. To the 75,000 fans, dignitaries, and celebrities, Pele urged to pay attention to the children of the world and repeat after him the word love for free times. Word love for 3 times. Then he played the first half for the Cosmos and scored a goal and played the second half for Santos. After finishing the match, he ran around the field holding an American flag in his left hand and the Brazilian flag in his right hand. He received a warm welcome by the players. Question number 5. Write a note on Pele's childhood. On 23rd October 1940, Pele was born in Três Corações, Brazil. Though he grew up in poverty, he learned to love and enjoy soccer in the sporty atmosphere of his home. As his father retired, Pele had to take responsibility of his family. He decided to take soccer as source of income. From then on, he was fully devoted to this game. He started playing soccer regularly, but as he could not afford a football to play, he either used a sock stuffed with newspapers tied with a string or used a grapefruit. Besides playing soccer, he polished shoes outside the stadium to earn extra money. He formed a soulless team with his street kids and participated in a youth tournament. There he came to the notice of Waldemar de Brito, a Brazilian player who trained up him and showed a track to sign. Question number 6. Write true or false. The name of Pele's father was Dondinho. True. Pele belonged to a well-to-do family. False. In 1969, Pele scored his 1,000th goal. True. Pele joined New York Cosmos for money. False. In the last match, Pele played for the Santos. True. ধন্যবাদ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল আশা কৰোঁ ভাল লাগিল যদি ভাল লাগিল তেনেহলে লাইক কৰা শেয়াৰ কৰা আৰু প্ৰথমবাৰলৈ চোৱাসকলে সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি লোৱা থ্যাংক ইউ